guys, this is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to set a death animation for your character. So whenever you die in your game, when you want to die, it will play the death animation and restart your game from this basic point. Now what I'm going to show you here is without the animation. And then it just stays there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the animation in here, which is your character. Click add animation, name it whatever you want. Now you're going to add or import frames from a sprite strip. Here's mine. Mine's 56 frames long, so put that in the number of horizontal cells. Delete the first one because it's a blank, and then the second one was a mistake for me, so I deleted it anyways. Now, what you should do if you want your player box really tight is to control and crop. If you want to just do one animation, one frame, and then shift crop if you want to do the entire animation. But since I don't want it cropped at the moment, I'm going to keep it the way it is. So now we're going to set an origin point, and the origin point's right here. Click on that, make sure that's open. Hit the number 2 if you're doing a platformer game, which is what I'm using. 2. And then hit apply to whole animation, and then you see it's on for all of them. Now, since that's there, I am going to add all the events for this game. So first, I'm just going to go through the basics. So when I press the left arrow, it sets it mirrored, so I don't have to create a whole new set of animations to go to the left. When the right's pressed, it's set not mirrored, so it continuously can go either way. Every tick, and then the player box, which is the blue rectangle that I made. And now basically, with all of these, the player box controls my characters. So the player box, when the player box on the platform is moved, I set the animation to running, which is the animation in here. So whenever he moves, the animation moves. So whenever he's stopped, it's idle. Whenever he's jumping, set to jumping. Whenever he lands, set to idle again. And now what I did here, it'll look pretty weird. You basically click on your designated event, and you click S, and then you can add whatever you want, and it'll be a sub event. Now what I'm going to do is add a new event, but first I'm going to show you here. This is a completely separate sprite, and this will be important, and you'll see why in a minute. So what I'm going to show you is add event. This sprite, which is the ground sprite, I should have renamed it, but that's the ground sprite. Oh wait, no, sorry about that. When the character, so click on character. When the character on collision with another object, and that other object is going to be the ground. So when that happens, I want it to set my character to the death animation. So I'm going to have it set animation, and in here I'm going to type death. Done. And then I want it to wait 3 seconds before, so wait 3 seconds so it can play the animation. So click wait at the bottom of settings. I had it 3 seconds, but you can have it at whatever you want. And then I want it to restart the animation after the 3 seconds. And that's important that this go goes before this, because if the restart layout is before the waiting 3 seconds, then it'll restart the layout, then wait 3 seconds, which is very annoying. And then what you want to do is basically add another condition to this. And what you want to do is with your character, make sure the collisions are enabled so that this works, or else it will come into a problem where when this collision happens, when you jump down or if you fall down on any of these crevices, it will think also that you're landing on something, and it'll set it to idle instead of the death animation. And now that all of this is done, let's try it out. In here, you will see that whenever I fall, it will start the death animation. Thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you.